Hello everybody, doing a quick video on a transmission cooler I installed on a 2012 Honda Odyssey. One of the things I had a hard time with is finding the what lines to hook to, so I hope this clears it up. The cooler I used here was a model 33503, or 13503 would be the part number. Which is good for, they say, 20,000 BTUs and a GVW of 20,000 pounds. Those are usually overstated, so I definitely went larger. And I also put a magnifying inline filter in, and it was part number 3810,000 to give a little extra filtration and take the burden off of the factory cooler. So under here you'll see the lines going into the transmission, and the lower one, the S, is supply, and then the R would be the return going into the transmission. I put the it goes through the factory cooler in the bottom of the radiator first, and then goes out to my cooler. There's different schools of thought on the way that should be done. That's how I did mine. And the magnifying filter is right there. These lines here are from the factory cooler, so I just tapped into those and ran it out to the cooler in the front. And then this line here, coming from the filter, then goes back into the transmission. So, worked out pretty well. There's a view from the bottom. I don't know if that clamp was necessary, but I felt like the hose kind of flopped around a little bit, so I put it on. I didn't want to put it close to the radiator to allow air to be able to flow around it and behind it. I personally don't like the idea of sticking it right close to the radiator due to, I believe it would hurt airflow, but I know people have done it successfully. Anyway, hope that helps.